When I say Amazon Echo Show 8, what's your first thought? If it's there's already 8 of these, I totally get it. No, this is actually only the 4th smart display from Amazon. It just has an 8-inch screen. So we want to see if this is worth your money in counter space. Let's open it up. So the box looks, I guess, mighty boxy. Let's get this paper off and you can actually get a look at the device. So yeah, looks like it's actually decently sized. 8 inches sounds small, but it's a bit bigger than like my iPhone, for instance. Yeah, that's not bad. Plus you get this nice camera shutter right here, which is super nice from a privacy standpoint. So you've got the nice rubber bottom to keep it in place, the standard hookups in the back. Plus you've got these volume buttons, the microphone, the mute button if you don't want Alexa listening to you. It's basically what you'd expect. So now that we've got this thing unboxed, let's test it out. The Show 8 is super easy to set up and intuitive to use. It equips the Echo's voice assistant with video chatting and streaming, cooking assistance in the kitchen, touch control for the smart home, and plenty more. For $130, the Echo Show 8 really does pack in a lot of useful smarts. But none of that's really new. Check it out. What we're seeing here is Amazon rounding out their 2 main product lines. We have smart speakers over here and smart displays on this side. In the past few months alone, we have the brand new Amazon Echo Studio, the new Amazon Echo, and the Echo Dot with clock. And over here, we have the Echo Show 5 and the Echo Show 8. Okay, if you're seeing a pattern, then you should be. Basically on both sides, you have the Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear, and Amazon is really hoping that one of these products is going to be just right for you. The 8-inch screen size falls right between the 10.1-inch and the 5.5-inch of the Show and Show 5, but it has the higher resolution of its big brother here at 1280 by 800 pixels. That's not mind-blowing, but it's not bad either, especially for the price. And it's much better than the Show 5's low-def display. But sound-wise, how does it compare to its Echo Show counterparts? Well, take a listen. The difference in sound quality makes sense given the different sizes of these 3 devices. The Echo Show 8 sounds much fuller than the Echo Show 5, but it's not quite as powerful or as dynamic as the 10-inch model here. Now, that said, if you have it at a medium volume, it's pretty good. When you push up that volume, it starts getting a little bit buzzy and it can't quite stand up to the dynamic range of a better speaker or a stronger display like this. So as we've seen, the Show 8 is much better in audio and visual fidelity than the Show 5, making it seem much more comparable to the 10-inch $230 Show, except for the camera. Both the Echo Show 5 and this Echo Show 8 have a 1 megapixel camera. Now the 10-inch Echo Show has a 5 megapixel camera. When I first heard that, I thought that it was going to make a really big difference when it came to video chatting. But once I set up this video chat with myself to compare the images, I actually saw that this image right here on the Echo Show 8, which is captured by the better 5 megapixel camera, is much more pixelated than this image here, which is captured by the 1 megapixel camera. I was surprised, but it does kind of make sense given that there are so many factors like network speed and so on that go into the quality of the image that shows up when you're doing video chatting. So the bottom line is this: $100 more for a 5 megapixel camera isn't necessarily going to translate to better video chat image quality. All of this is leaving me feeling a little bit torn. That's because this device doesn't really have any new features. It's totally redundant. It's iteration for the sake of iteration. The Echo Show 8 is the same old Echo with different measurements. Okay, that may be true, but look at the Echo Show 5. It's basically a glorified smart alarm clock. I mean, it's the size of my iPhone propped up on a countertop. And the 10-inch Echo Show is nice, but it's also $100 more expensive than this Echo Show 8. I really do think that this device right here might be Amazon's best smart display for the price. Do you know why this device costs $100 less than the 10-inch Echo Show? It's because that one has a 5-megapixel camera and this one has a garbage 1-megapixel camera. I mean, did Amazon have to go digging in their basement to find a decade-old camera just to put on this brand new device? I mean, the video chat quality is smudgy at best. Okay, that may be the case, but you know, for video chatting, cameras don't have to be that good. Maybe 1 megapixel is all we need because video chat quality is always kind of smudgy. And besides, the $130 7-inch Google Nest Hub doesn't even have a camera. Yeah, but the Nest Hub at least has good smart home controls, it has better cooking assistance and a better user interface. Okay, but this display actually has some really nice perks going for it too. I like the sunrise alarms, and also it has that nice physical camera shutter. From a privacy standpoint, I like the idea that I can look at this and I don't have to trust Facebook, I don't have to trust Google, I don't have to trust Amazon in this case. I look right there and I know 100% that that camera is covered and nobody is watching me. Well, nobody wants to watch you anyway, so whatever. But listen, on this device, you can't even use voice commands to pull up YouTube videos on a smart display. I mean, look, it's a fine product overall, but everything that it does has been done before. All right, enough arguing. Forget the history of Amazon products. Would you buy the Echo Show 8 over the 10-inch Echo and the Echo Show 5? No, I'd pick the Echo Show 5. I think that it would look better on my nightstand, and you know, maybe I would actually take the Echo Show that's $230 because it actually has a decent camera. So, yeah. Now that I've cleared up all of my doubts, I am happy to recommend the Amazon Echo Show 8. For $130, this thing is the best smart display that Amazon has to offer, and it has better sound quality and a camera that the Nest Hub doesn't.